Experience the beauty of lakeside living with this stunning home on the shores of Tellico Lake at 230 Tecumseh Way. This Lindal Engineered home blends refined craftsmanship with nature, offering privacy, luxury, and unforgettable views from nearly every room and deck. Experience open concept living with stylish wood finishes, cathedral ceilings, and rich wood flooring. This is elegant detailing from the great room flowing into this formal dining area, an exceptional keeping room, and the gourmet kitchen featuring custom cabinetry, granite countertops, a double oven gas range, and convenient food warmers, making gatherings effortless. Step out to 2 expansive covered decks with electric sunshades. Soak in the views of the lake and Smoky Mountains. This upper deck flooring is constructed of long-lasting ironwood. Experience this spacious master bedroom on the main and throughout the home. 3 full baths and 2 half baths, perfect for hosting or multi-generational living. Take the newly installed elevator down to this stunning entertainment center. It offers a game room with a complete bar, a state-of-the-art media room, and a second master with 2 additional bedrooms connected with this Jack and Jill bath. Now, take another flight down to this versatile flex room, ideal for a workshop, art studio, or gym. It is here you'll enjoy the 1,000-bottle wine cellar. A golf cart path connects the street to this massive dock, built with long-lasting composite decking. It includes a covered boat slip and 2 wave runner lifts. Soon you'll enjoy an easy golf cart drive to the new Tanasi Club House, under construction, or cruise over by boat. Located in the heart of Tellico Village, 230 Tecumseh Way is part of a vibrant, active community. With access to 3 championship golf courses, a wellness center, pickleball and tennis, community docks, and so much more. Whether you're drawn by the lake, the lifestyle, or the craftsmanship, 230 Tecumseh Way delivers it all. Call Ron or Tim of Team Kukla direct